Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. So, here is a good news for you all. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solutions, GSEB solutions, Kids Zone and General Knowledge course and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comment, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 8 math, chapter 12 exponents and power. Today we will do the exercise 12.1. So let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is evaluate. We have to evaluate 3 upon minus 2. So 3 upon minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 3 whole square. Why? Because to remove minus sign we have to reciprocal the number. So the formula is a minus m equals to 1 upon am. So the answer is 1 upon 9. Here minus 4 upon minus 2. Here also we have to remove minus sign in the exponent. So what we will do, we will reverse the number. That is the reciprocal of minus 4 is 1 upon minus 4 whole square. So the answer is 1 upon 16. Half raised to minus 5. So we will do the reciprocal of 1 upon 2. So the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. So 2 raised to 5 is 32. Second question. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. So minus 4 raised to 4 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. So here minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. What we will do, it is a divide, so we will subtract. So minus 4, 5 minus 8, that is 1 upon minus 4 raised to 3. Here am divided by an equals to am minus n. 1 upon 2 raised to 3, 1 upon 2 cube whole bracket square. So 1 square divided by 2 cube whole square. So 1 upon 2, 3 into 2, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 6. Here we have used am bracket n, that is am into n. Next, minus 3 upon 4 into 5 upon minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 upon 3 raised to 4. So minus 1 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into 5 upon 4 whole up divided by 3 upon 4. Here 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4 we can cut. So it will remain 5 upon 4. Or we can minus 4 minus 4, so it will become 3 raised to 0. If the number is raised to 0, then the answer is 1. Here a raised to 0 equals to 1. Next, 3 upon 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. So first we will do the division part, that is 3 raised to minus 7 minus bracket minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. So 3 raised to minus 7 plus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. So minus 7 plus 10 is 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to minus 5. Now 3 plus minus 5, that is 3 raised to minus 2. So if it is minus, we will do the reciprocal of the numbers. So 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Next, 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 7 raised to minus 3. So 2 into minus 7 whole bracket minus 3, because am into bm equals to ab whole raised to m. So 1 upon 2 into minus 7 raised to 3, that is 1 upon minus 14 raised to 3. Next, find the value of, so 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to 2. So 3 raised to 0 is 1. 4 upon minus 1, that is 1 upon 4 to remove the negative, into 2 raised to 2. So 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 2 raised to 2. So 5 upon 4 into 2 raised to 2. So 5 upon 2 square into 2 square. So 5 into 2 bracket 2 minus 2. So 5 into 2 raised to 0, that is 5 into 1 equals to 5. Second, 2 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Here all the exponents are in negative. So to make it positive, what we will do? We will do the reciprocal of the number. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. 2 square is 4. So it is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole square divided by 1 by 4. So 1 upon 2 raised to cube divided by 1 upon 4. That is 1 upon 2 cube is 1 upon 8 into 4. So it is half. Next, 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 raised to minus 2. We will remove the negative sign. To remove the negative sign from the exponent, what we will do? We will reciprocal the number. So it is 2 minus 1 whole bracket minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 whole bracket minus 2 plus 4 minus 1 whole bracket minus 2. So here we will get 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So 4 plus 9 plus 16 is 29. Fourth question, 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 whole bracket 0. If any number is upon 0, exponent is 0 in any number, then the answer is 1. Next, minus 2 upon 3 raised to minus 2 whole bracket square. So minus 2 into upon 3 raised to minus 4. 2 into 2 is 4. So we will reciprocal the number. So minus 3 upon 2 whole bracket raised to 4. So the answer is 81 upon 16. 3 raised to 4 is 81 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. Next, fourth question is evaluate. 8 minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 whole upon 2 minus 2 minus 4 is exponent. So 8 minus 1 into 5 raised to minus 3 upon 2 raised to minus 4. So 8 we can say 2 cube minus 1 into 5 cube upon 2 raised to minus 4. So 2 raised to minus 3 into 5 raised to cube upon 2 raised to minus 4. So 2 minus 3 minus 4 2 minus 3 minus 4 into 5 raised to 3 equals to 2 minus 3 plus 4 into 5 raised to 3. So 2 into 1 2 into 125 equals to 250 is the answer. Next, 5 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 into 6 raised to minus 1. So 5 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 into 6 raised to minus 1. To remove the minus 9, what we will do, we will reciprocal the number. So 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 6. So it is 1 upon 60. Fifth question, find the value of m for which m raised 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 equals to 5 raised to 5. So 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 5 raised to 5. So 5 m minus bracket minus 3 equals to minus 5. Sorry, equals to 5 raised to 5. So m raised to 5 raised to m plus 3 equals to 5 raised to 5. Comparing exponents both sides, we get m plus 3 equals to 5. So m equals to 5 minus 3, that is m equals to 2. Sixth question, 1 upon 3 raised to minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 raised to minus 1 whole bracket minus 1. So 1 upon 3 raised to minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 raised to minus 1 equals to remove the minus, we will do the reciprocal. So 3 upon 1 raised to 1 minus 4 upon 1 raised to 1. That is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Next, 5 upon 8 raised to minus 7 into 8 upon 5 raised to minus 4 equals to 5 minus 7, 8 minus 7 into 8 raised to minus 4 upon 5 raised to minus 4. So 5 minus 7 minus bracket minus 4 into 8 minus 4 minus bracket minus 7. So 5 minus 7 plus 4 into 8 minus 4 plus 7. That is 5 raised to minus 3 into 8 raised to 3. So 8 cube upon 5 cube, that is 8 cube is 512 and 5 cube is 125. Seventh question is simplify. 25 into t minus 4 upon 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 8. Here t is not equals to 0. So 25 into t raised to minus 4 upon 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8. So 25 we can write 5 raised to 2. That means 5 square into t minus 4. And 10 we can write 5 into 2. Here 5 minus 3 and 5 1. So we will bring that up. So 5 2 minus 3 minus 1. T minus 4 minus 8 upon 2. So 5 2 plus 3 minus 1 is 5 raised to 4 and t minus 4 plus 8 is t raised to 4 upon 2. So 5 raised to 4 is 625 upon 2 into t raised to 4. Second, 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125 upon 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. So 3 raised to minus 5 into 2 into 5 whole bracket raised to 5 minus 5 into 5 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to minus 7 into 2 into 3 raised to minus 5. So 3 raised to minus 5 into 2 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to minus 5 into 5 cube upon 5 raised to minus 7 into 2 raised to minus 5 into 3 raised to minus 5. Here 2 raised to minus 5, 3 raised to minus 5 can be cut. So we can cut or we can do the subtraction. Both the method is same. If we do the subtraction, it will get 3 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 0, that is 1 1, and we will get 5 raised to 5, that is 3125. So answer is 3125. So this was exercise 12.1 of chapter 12 class 8. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.